Waste.
Honestly, what a waste.
Just tastes like cereal glued together.
You're vegetarian?
What does it taste like?
Cheers.
Everybody who keeps asking, how do I stay slim?
See-through! It's see-through, but it's...
Smell that.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Today's video we are doing Morrisons Christmas food taste testing and reviews. I went to my local Morrisons. I picked up a range of their kind of like festive food they have in this Christmas 2019, and in today's video we are going to test it and taste it and rate it all out of 10. So in case you haven't seen it, I did actually release the Morrisons Christmas food haul this morning. I will link that down below. Make sure you go and watch that before you watch today's challenge video, because that will show you everything we're going to eat today plus the prices. If you just want to watch the taste testing review, then keep on watching this video because that's what it is. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. We specifically love food on this channel, so I would subscribe if you like this video and you want to see the rest of the series. Anyway, that was all such a mouthful. Let's just get straight into the taste testing video today. So grab your cozy drinks, get your shopping list ready, and let's go.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye, come.
Okay, I have my tea here in my Santa mug. This is the green and pear Christmas spiced tea. It does smell very, very festive, warming, kind of spicy, which I like. Before we try anything else, I'm going to try the tea because it's first thing in the morning. Your girl needs a tea before she is in any way sociable. It does taste super duper festive. It's not as strong as I would like it to be. I would really enjoy this in an early afternoon while I'm sat at my desk. It's quite a clean tasting drink. On that factor, I'm probably going to give the tea bags 7 out of 10. The flavour is okay, although it could be a lot stronger. The flavour is nice and it does taste kind of festive. Okay, moving on to what I'm going to eat this morning. I've got 2 clementines and 2 mince pies because I'm going to test these all out now. It's the morning and I feel like I eat a lot in the morning. I'm going to try the mince pie first. It does look very homemade, I have to admit. Like, it's giving me all the Asda fresh bakery feel, like it's got the same type of pastry, a shallow base, which is what I like. Okay, I need to have a sip of my drink before I talk. The verdict is in. Very, 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 very similar to the Asda bakery ones. So the Asda bakery ones, if you've seen my Asda Christmas tasting video, you will know that they got a 10 out of 10. I'm yet to do the mince pie taste test, so I feel like with a blindfold, will I still think that? That is on par with the Asda mince pie, I'm not gonna lie. It's got the most gorgeous pastry ever, and it is super fruity. I really liked that. Like, I really liked it. The sugar on top is really good. Like, you can really taste that sweetness. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. It's really good. If you do live near a Morrisons or if you shop at Morrisons, I highly recommend doing it before Christmas or by Christmas because they are blooming good. They're in the bakery section. Now we're going to try these sweet clems from Morrisons. Now for me, Christmas isn't Christmas without a clementine. As I've become an adult and moved out of home, I've realised it's actually quite hard to find an actual sweet clementine. I got some from Waitrose the other day because I thought, ooh, it's Waitrose. It must be a sweet posh clementine, but it was sour. The smell is like Christmas just in a nutshell. That could be a little bit sweeter, but actually they're quite nice. The clementines are okay. They're nice. I would buy them again actually. I now know that I can trust Morrisons for their sweet clementines. Give them an 8 out of 10. It's a good price as well. Da na 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 na. Da 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 da. It's Christmas cupcake time. I have one of each. For everybody who keeps asking, how do I stay slim? Well, Let me tell you, the pounds are coming in. Shall we try a green one first? Oh, that's a red velvet. That is exciting. A red velvet cake, aka a red chocolate cake. That looks really nice. It looks super festive. Let's have a bite. That is really good actually. Oh, that tastes like Costco cake. Please tell me someone else knows about Costco cake. It's really moist. I hate that word, but sometimes it needs to be used. I will try this chocolatey one. That's nice, super chocolatey, but that's a good thing. Like, chocolate cupcake is meant to be chocolatey. I would eat that again as well. I forgot how much I love cupcakes. Now let's, oh, this one looks like a vanilla sponge. Cute. I prefer vanilla sponges, I have to admit. That one is weird, but I like it. It's like a vanilla flavour all the way through. There is something that's like tingling my tongue, but I don't think it's gingerbread. White icing is so vanilla-y and so sweet. It's almost making my eyes water. But again, it's nice. It looked so cute. It'd be so nice at like a little Christmas party if you don't bake yourself, or if you haven't got time. Like, how nice would it be to have these? I'd give them a 7 out of 10. I would recommend because they look cute and they taste good. And that's my thoughts.
It's lunchtime and I've got my turkey lunch. Turkey with smoky bacon, pork stuffing, cranberry chutney and sage and onion mayonnaise on malted bread.
To be fair, the sage and onion mayonnaise sounds good. Like, I need some of that in my fridge. Give it a taste. Let us know what you think.
Okay. It's really good. They've done absolutely the right thing. They've made the stuffing a sausage stuffing instead of having chunks of sausages in there, because that can always taste a little bit cheap. So this actually tastes really good. It's got a nut, it's not too dry, sweetness of the cranberry chutney. Very nice. 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's quite good for a supermarket sandwich. Well, thank you for reviewing the sandwich for us.
Anytime.
And I'll see you later for a Morrisons Christmas dinner. Lawrence is here now and it is Christmas crisp taste test time. So we have 2 flavours from Morrisons The Best range. We have smoked salmon and king prawn cocktail crisps and 3 bird roast crisps. So yeah, a bird and a bird and a bird and a bird.
A bird and a bird and a bird and a bird and a bird in a packet.
Yeah. The prawn ones are actually suitable for vegetarians. These are not suitable for vegetarian. Neither are gluten-free. I feel like we should try the prawn ones first.
Okay, alright, I'm a bit nervous about those, but
yeah,
I feel a bit better if they're vegetarian.
If you compare the ones we had from Tesco, the Tesco ones were so good. There's just not much flavour, there's a bit of tanginess.
There's a smokiness to it, isn't there? It must be this smoked salmon flavour.
You can taste the garlic actually.
Lemon juice thing going on with them.
Quite lemony. They're okay, I'd give them a 7 out of 10.
I'll go with the same on that.
7.
Yeah, I wouldn't like go out of my way, but then at the same time, if they were in a bowl, I could imagine myself just chomping away.
Now let's try the 3 bird roast crisps. Ooh, got the touch of Catro about them.
Oh.
Hasn't it? That's
yeah.
a funny smell.
Whose was it before?
Aldi.
Aldi's cat piss crisp.
There must be like a herb. Let's try them though.
Okay, you're right. Okay.
They're quite nice actually.
The flavour's really good. The flavour is really
good. The flavour
good.
is really strong.
The smell is a bit off-putting.
To be fair, they are really good. I'd recommend them. I'd go an 8 out of 10 for them.
I'm gonna go with the same. Like,
8 out of 10?
yeah, I think if they smelt as good as they tasted, they'd be looking at a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay, it is dinner time and we are having nut roast, potatoes, Yorkshire puddings and Brussels sprouts.
Silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
So this is the first time you've ever had a nut roast?
Genuinely, the first ever nut roast I've had.
No, I'm not that keen on them. I personally prefer something like the Tesco vegan Matisse that we tried in the Tesco video. That was unreal. Anyway, it does look alright to be fair. It's got loads of pumpkin seeds and whatnot.
Hey, I think that looks really good. Do you want the edge or on the middle?
edge bit is fine. And we also have the vegetarian gravy. We have gone through the ingredients and we cannot find anything that is derived from an animal at all. I think it's vegan.
It might just not be certified vegan.
We've got that here in our little gravy bowl. Let's try some of the Morrisons goose fat, I believe, potatoes. Look at that one. It's like a
Oh wow, I got the best one.
Snowman.
Like a snowman, man. Actually, almost looks like a monkey nut. Do you know that? Like, look.
Really doing a roast dinner correctly if you don't put gravy all in your Yorkshire. Like
Forgotten
the
some.
Brussels.
Yeah.
The Brussels.
These look good.
They do look good, to be fair. These, on the packet, does say to cook just via microwave, but we're not about that life. We put it in the microwave for a bit, technically just to defrost.
That's absolutely right. And then we fried it up in butter.
We fried it up in butter. Right, let's try the nut roast, get
Nut
that one
roast
out of the
first.
way.
I've got nothing to compare it against because I've never had a nut roast before. It seems really dry. Is that normal?
The texture for me isn't what a roast dinner is. It just tastes like cereal glued together. I'd rather have the Tesco thing.
I would rather have the Tesco thing. There doesn't seem to be enough flavour in it for it to be like a centrepiece.
Yeah, it's not a centerpiece, but it could be nice in not a roast dinner format. For me, it's just not enough for a roast dinner.
I agree.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I think that's still a bit harsh. I do feel bad.
I'm going to go with you. 6 out of 10.
But the flavour, there's not much flavour. I can't taste the cranberries.
I like-
I ate a full-on cranberry.
That's fair.
Let's try the potato, because I'm always excited about a potato.
No, should I have the snowman?
The snowman. I preferred the Aldi. Much preferred Aldi. It tastes
sort
like
of that?
Aunt Bessie's, and I'm not a fan of Aunt Bessie potatoes.
There's not that much crunch about them, is there?
Oh, very much okay.
Yeah.
But if I was to recommend you a store-bought potato, roast potato, I would recommend going to Aldi because you actually get more for less money, and they are so flipping good.
They are, like, and they've got real crunch to them.
Yeah.
It's okay. 4 out of 10.
6.
6. Again, I'm going to go with you. I'm going to agree with you there. It's a 6 out of 10.
Try the Yorkshire because that is just singing out to me.
Yeah, the flavour's okay. Flavour-wise, I would put them on equal footing with Aldi. I don't think they're as nice to look at as the Aldi ones.
No.
They've got that homemade feel.
Tastes okay actually.
Yeah.
They don't taste like frozen Yorkshire puddings. I'm impressed with that. I'll give the Yorkshires an 8.
An 8, I'm going to go for a 7. I think the flavour could be a little bit better, tiny bit better. Be maybe a little bit bigger and a little bit more interesting looking. Are you getting a chestnut with yours as well?
Yeah, chestnuts and a Brussels sprout at the same time.
Oh, okay. I like that.
That's quite good actually.
Definitely finish them off in a frying pan with butter.
Do not microwave the whole thing because you'll regret it. What a waste.
Honestly, what a waste.
Because they are good actually. It'd be better if they were not whole. Like I like them when they're cut in half. You can't really cut them because they come frozen. So I think it's such a good concept to have that. Like I'm not
mixed
seeing that
together.
anywhere else. Like,
Can't stop eating. You might have noticed I'm just really quiet.
price, 9 out of 10. Taste, how we've cooked it, 9 out of 10.
Agreed. Yeah, I'm going to just say 9 out of 10 and I'm going to get back to eating.
Although the gravy isn't Morrisons, we will rate it quickly for you. It's okay. I would add onions to it, I would add a bit of garlic, and I would add salt and pepper.
I'm going to be really critical and I'm going to say I don't like it. And it's got that gloopy gravy texture, perfect. But it's see-through.
watery.
It's see-through, but it's good.
It is pudding time.
The best. The best.
Chocolate and orange mince pies. These are mini mince pies, which, by the looks of it, are filled with orange mince.
They're vegetarian.
All mince pies are.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Really?
Smell that. What does it smell like? First reaction.
Wait.
Come on.
It's like, what, chocolate orange?
Yeah, but Quality Street.
Oh yeah, the orange cream. Or
Doesn't
the orange
that smell like
crunch.
Quality Street? Gold topping. Right, I want to go for this one because it looks really chocolatey.
Okay, I'm going to go for this one because it's got the most gold on it.
Oh.
Okay.
These are as good as they smell.
It's the moment of truth.
I know.
They've been built up now. They are good. Do you know what?
Wow.
There's a kind of Jaffa cake vibe. Are you getting that?
I'm not sure I'm getting Jaffa cake.
You're not?
I am getting Quality Street. What do you mean, Jaffa cake?
It's like that kind of like, it's got like the filling is more jammy than it is like mince.
Yeah.
Well, it looked, I thought, oh, I could eat like half of them.
You couldn't, that is enough. I think they are great. I've not seen anything like them yet so far in all the other supermarkets. I think that may deserve a 10 out of 10.
I love a normal mince pie, but these aren't trying to be a normal mince pie. These are trying to be something different. I cannot think of a bad thing to say about them. Therefore, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I've still got some supermarkets to taste test, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on those. And I will see you guys really, really soon. I really hope you're enjoying this series, and I really hope you're finding them useful. Please let me know if you are down in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Mwah.